playlist we are trying to build the game in the Unity, so which I am escaping from the blog and reaching my the final objects. So this is the game we are trying to build. So for the previous session, so we installed the Unity tool, and we started understanding the basic how to set up the plane and the ball. So this session we are going to progress with set up the environment and apply the movement for the ball. Okay, so let's focus that. Okay, so we come. This is the progress. So we created ground and player, and the camera we just adjusted to see the view of the player. Okay, it's all fine now. So let's adjust my plane to make a roll a bit more fluently. Okay, let's go on the okay just increase the Z kind of 10. Okay, this is fine, and just move the Z towards bit. Okay, yeah, so let's move something like that. Okay, so the view is like kind of a path. Okay, fine. So now fine, just save it by control yes. So then let's go on the different cubes. Let's we create the different cubes. Okay, just you have to right click the hierarchy here, and the 3D object, select the cube. Okay, okay, so you want to focus this particular object, so you have to just select that object and you have to press F, so it will get focused over there. Okay, okay, let's fine. So let's go and duplicate this. Okay, just okay, let's call it as enemy block. Okay, let's duplicate this. How we can just select this, control D, it will create you more objects. How many we want we can create it. So let's go on. Okay, this just select and this. Okay, okay, we keep it here. Okay, fine. Let's go and create one more side duplicate. Okay, so maybe ball it won't run, we have to bit adjust that. So that ball can be able to rotate. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. So now my different object is ready, but default it's have the default material, so which is gray, but we don't want the default material. So let's go and apply my enemy to some different colors. Okay, so how to do that? So we can go and create the material for this. So what is the material? So material will helps to apply the different kind of color shades and so on, like styling your object. So let's go and do that. I just create a folder in my asset material. Okay, that's fine. So here just right click and create. You will find the material. Yes, so enemy, we call it as enemy. Okay, fine. So now here once created, so it will be there in your inspector. So you are go and choose what the color you want. So I will choose a red color. Yeah, simple red. So I'm not going to do any other things. So next just go and select all the object. How to select? Just select it and use control, and in the mouse just left click and select everything. Okay, then just drag this and apply here. Okay, see my all the enemies got now color changed to red. Okay, fine. So it's the game view, it's fine now. So now I want the finally my goal cube. So let's go and create a cube called as goal. Okay, fine. So this I can keep it somewhere there. Okay, fine. Okay, for this also we'll go and create one more material, call it as goal. Okay, for this I going to give the green color. Okay, fine. Let's drag again the same to my goal. Okay, so all my environment is ready. So now next step is to apply the movement operation to my player ball. So ball can go around here and there and go and touch my final cube. It's a green gold cube. So then we'll going to show you the success. Yes, your level is completed. You successfully crossed your enemies and reached me. Okay, okay, fine. So you guys go and set up the environment, and the next session we're going to see how to apply the move for the apply the move to your player object. So even we can create one more material for my player as well. So let's go and create a material called player. Okay, so let's keep it, this is okay. So just choose my player and drag and drop. Okay, fine. So now what we did this session is, so we just created the enemy cubes. Okay, and the gold cube, and we created the material and we applied all our objects which we have in there. Even we can try to apply uh, for the ground as well, but okay, let's we try create material ground. Okay, so for ground we can try apply some bit gray. Okay, so this is a bit dull. Okay, let's go and edit that. Okay, okay, something like this. Okay, fine. For now, just to save it, So you guys go and practice this to set up your obstacles to reach your final goal. So next video we're going to directly apply the player movement. Okay, thanks for watching the video. Stay tuned and subscribe, and there is a bell icon near the subscribe button. Just click that so that you will get a regular notification when I upload the new video on this series. Thanks for watching video.